Automarshal 223. Video preprocessing was improved. The new setting parameters, horizontal perspective, vertical perspective, and linear contrasting have been added to the window of video preprocessing. We recommend to utilize these parameters in the 64-bit version of Automarshal. For better recognition results, one may use the perspective settings to align the vehicle number plate in the camera frame. Linear contrasting is included in the separate color tab. Linear contrasting helps to adjust black and white contrast in the low light conditions. The new type of entry, based on 4 induction loops, has been added to the front and rear plate module. This type of entry control is more reliable, since it eliminates the problem of unknown location of the vehicle if it is reversing. This added functionality is useful when it is necessary to have a confirmation that the vehicle crossed the entry at the checkpoint and not left the premises without entering. User groups were added for the management of the lists. The new version adds the functionality that manages cumulative administrative rights for the different categories of users that work with the lists. The users with identical administrative rights, for example an operator, are aggregated into the group. Each group has its own administrative rights setting to grant the access to the selected lists and the ability to perform certain actions within these lists, for example monitor, add, edit, manage or delete entries. If the user has low clearance level to work with the list, the warning message would appear. Only the lists that user has the administrative access for are displayed in the filter and the user list management. Motion detection trigger activation event was added. Motion detection event allows to make the recognition log entries for the vehicles with unrecognized number plates, including the cases when the number plate has been too dirty to make a reliable recognition. When Automarshal detects a moving vehicle in the camera frame, the system sets the image and performs an action specified by the trigger. This action may include sending the data via HTTP or notifying security by sending an email. The feature to show the text prompts in the notification window was added. The user can set the text prompts to assist the identification of appearing notifications. These prompts would be shown on the bottom of notification window and identify the nature and source of received notification. The window for quick addition of the number plate into the list was improved. The new version of Automarshal adds a quick search feature for the lists in the quick adding window. This feature eliminates the need for manual search of the required list name across all available ones. To use this feature, the user needs to type the first letters of the required list name and select the appropriate search result. The video channel priority setting for the display of the recognition frame was added. The user can set the priority for the display of detected vehicle in the main Automarshal window based on video channels. Video channel priority is set by changing the order of the list in the setting window. The video channel that is at the top of the list has the highest display priority. The user can change the display priority of a particular channel by changing its order in the list with up and down arrow buttons. The priority setting can be disabled. When disabled, the display of video channels would occur in a conventional mode. The feature to clear the database via executable bat file was added. Database Task Scheduler module now includes new SQL script that enables to clear the database directly without putting high demand on the system resources. In the Export HTTP module, the HTTP message body can now be edited. Export HTTP module enables to relay the recognized vehicle number plates to the external system via HTTP protocol. The new version of Automarshal has the ability to edit the body of the message sent via HTTP in the trigger editing window. The user can customize the message body template. or use the one with default settings. In the web client, the ability to rewrite existing lists in the database when important data was introduced. The new version adds the ability to rewrite duplicating data entries or add information to them. This feature is useful to the users who keep the vehicle lists as the external files or manage them at the external systems and import them regularly to Automarshal.